Welcome back to Big Sky Diamond Painting. This is Bronwyn. I am here with an unboxing. I finally got a kit from Rainy Day Diamonds. I did not take this one out of the box because I wanted you guys to see the pretty wrapping that she used. And maybe from this wrapping you can guess which one I got. I was really excited when I saw this one on her page and knew immediately. I've been kind of meaning to get a Rainy Day Diamonds painting, but they are a little bit spendy, so I was kind of waiting to see one I really needed to have. And then it just happened. I'm totally gonna keep that. It's kind of like shiny, like it's like waterproof wrap, but I'm gonna keep that to use it for something. Anyway, I saw this one and it just happened that it coincided with her having an Etsy shop that she's like streamlining the ordering process somewhat on. So I pre-ordered it there, and I'll put the date that I pre-ordered it here, but it did like take 2 or 3 weeks for it to actually ship out. So this is the box that it comes in. Crystal Arts Diamond Painting, you know, it's pretty generic all things considered, but it comes in a box, so that's pretty nice. It's a little squished, but it's not too beaten up or anything like that. So we shall get it out of here. Ooh, nice. And the kit is okay. We're gonna open the other end because the kit is buried. It's buried in here. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Alright, so the box is empty. Alright, this I'm assuming, with this nice little crystal, and thank you, I'm assuming this is just my order sheet, but I'm gonna take a look. Yep, my order sheet says thank you, Bronwyn. Little Etsy print off. Alright, so here's the kit. So I love these kits. I love the packaging she uses. They come with a squishy. This is an interesting one. I've never seen one like this before. It fits pretty good. Alright, so let's get all of this out, because I'm pretty excited about the kit. Alright, so you get, along with the single placer, you get a 8 placer. I don't know if I have an 8 placer, so you get an 8 placer and a straightener. And I have a couple of these straightener tips, but I'm always looking for more because they are super useful. And then I got a few stickers. Those are really pretty. I will be putting those in my stash. This is a slightly wider green boat than I'm used to, I think, but you get a green tray with no funnel. And then you get this cute little container of wax. Looks like I got yellow wax. I can't recall if she sends other colors of wax, but you get this cute little, like, almost diamond shaped container. It's very adorable. I know, like, on her thing she has like different limited edition things sometimes, so you know your mileage may vary depending on what you're ordering. But that's just her basic kit, and I love that she includes all this stuff, and I especially love the little container. And I don't think I've tried the yellow wax, so that's going to be fun. I love how nice these are wrapped. These must be the drills. Ooh, and I see a nice big inventory list too, which I assume I can also cut apart for stickers and run through the Xyron sticker maker if I want to. Okay, so this is the canvas. It does say Made in China on it, but honestly, whatever most of these are. I don't care. Alright, so we're gonna try to get the tape off. Oh yeah. It did leave a little bit of residue behind, but it's just on the back. That's not gonna bug me. Alright. So, since this does look to be like a poured glue, I'm going to roll it backwards real quick, because it was rolled up pretty tightly. This is not as pliable as like a Diamond Art Club or a Dreamer Designs or some of your more floppy canvases. This is, you know, your pretty standard, like stiff, stiffer, I should say, canvas. It does have the glitter in it, if you can, I don't know if you can, if that picks up. But anywho, so here we have the Crystal Succulents. Now I don't know if she has a completed picture of this on her Instagram, but I saw a partially completed one and that was enough to get me going on it. So I had to have this. I forget how much it was. I think it was like, oh, yay. Just a second. My cat is about to knock stuff over. If I don't get him up here. Hi, Polly. I'm sorry that he's bouncing you around, guys. You ready to move? He's over here sniffing stuff. Anyway, I think it was like $35. I'll put the price somewhere in here for you. And that included shipping, I want to say. Oh, you know what? Haha, I have this here. I can just look at it. While I'm looking at it, I'm going to make sure that he didn't jostle this too much. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it was $35, including shipping. So this is a 40 by 50. I believe these are true to size. I, of course, don't have a measuring tape upstairs with me, so guys, I promise I'll try to make it a point to get one put in a kit to keep upstairs for filming. Like I said in my last video, the seasonal depressions hit me pretty hard, so a lot of the stuff I was planning to do has fallen to the wayside, but I'm trying to like force myself to do stuff so that I can, you know, keep it up. So, you know, sometimes that's like the best thing you can do, so that's what I'm doing. Anyway, there's 33 colors, and I think this is, I mean, I really think this is going to be gorgeous. I am looking forward to do this. Now, I don't want to take this completely out just because of how nicely those are arranged. Oh yeah, that's the thumbnail. I love that she put that right in there. Like, I don't even have to label this or anything. Like, that is great. Like, I don't want to take these out so much, but I think, let's see. Alright, we'll just take one out. So that's, oh, and they're like almost vacuumed sealed in there a little bit. So that's one bag, nice big numbers on there. So if you wanted to do this out of the bags, you surely could. And from what I understand, the crystals are a little bit different. I'm looking forward to working with them. I mean, I'm pretty excited about this. I think this one, when I finish, I'm working on a Dreamer Designs. I'm almost done. I think when I finish that, I'm going to take this baby to work. And let's take a look at these. Oh yeah, so these I'm just going to run right through my Xyron sticker maker and use that for kitting up. But yeah, I mean, I'm sorry guys, I just can't ruin that perfect packing. That is so nice. But there's some really good colors in there. There's this green right here. That one's really getting me. All right, so for the sake of the review, oh wow, that is good and sticky. All of the symbols look like they're pretty clear. The printing looks clear. There are not really, okay, so there's not training wheels in that there's not circles around them, but there are circles. Like they haven't drawn circles, but there are like a white circle inside a colored background. So, you know, there could be some that shows, but it looks like they've erred on the side of pretty small. So I'm hoping that that won't be an issue here. I'm not so sure about that symbol right there, that sort of double river squiggly. We'll have to see. And this black on dark blue could be a problem. Let me see. Oh wow, no, it's not, because on the actual symbol, the circle is white. So some of these probably won't even be. Okay, so it's a little weird because like this double squiggle, it's black on the outside, but since the circle is white, the little squiggles are actually black inside. Let me just make sure there's not, yeah, there's not. So that's going to be a little strange to get used to, but I will deal with it because this is going to be gorgeous. Anyway, guys, that is about it. I will let you know when I actually get working on this one. I'll post pictures on Instagram and stuff like that. Again, this is Rainy Day Diamonds. I think it was just called Succulents. Succulents Crystalline Diamond Painting Kit. So it's full crystal rhinestone drills, and it's really lovely. So I think I'm pretty excited about this one. I will ask you to please like this video if you liked my video, and leave a comment if you've got something to say about it. Definitely feel free to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see more of my videos. And I will catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.